Salut, comment ça va? Welcome back to my channel C'est Français. In today's video, we are going to be starting with studying the verbs, and so today we will be doing the verb être, which means to be. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe so you don't miss any videos in the future. Let's begin. So, in French, we have two types of verbs, les verbes réguliers, which means regular verbs, and les verbes irréguliers, which means irregular verbs. What is the difference? So, the regular verbs are those verbs which will follow the rules of conjugations, and irregular verbs are the ones which have their own conjugations. They do not follow the rules. Today, we are going to be studying one of the basic irregular verb in French, which is the verb être. Now, each and every verb, whether it is a regular or an irregular, is conjugated in three types. So you have affirmative, affirmative, negative, negative, and interrogative, interrogative. So let's start with doing the verb être in affirmative. The formation is subject plus verb. So in the subject place, you can have all your subject pronouns or any other subject that you want to have, and the verb is the conjugation of the verb être. Now, what do I mean by a conjugation is agreement of the subject with the verb. What do I mean by agreement is that each subject pronoun will have its own verb. So let's do and see how it is like. So, je suis, I am, tu es, you are, il est, he is or it is, elle est, she is or it is. Now over here, if you're talking about a person, then it will be he is or she is, and if you're talking about things, then it is it is. On a, which means one is or someone is or we are. This is an indefinite pronoun. So if you have not watched my video about the pronouns in French, do watch so that you will be able to understand it in a better way. All of these were in the singular form. Now let's do the plural forms of each pronoun. So nous sommes, we are, vous êtes, you are. So vous êtes, in this S, which is the last letter of vous, and E, which is the first letter of eth, are linked together and are pronounced like Z. So we have vous êtes, ils sont, they are, elles sont, they are. Now both of them means they are, ils sont and elles sont. The difference lies in masculine plural and feminine plural. So if you have all the masculine nouns that you want to talk about, so ils sont, all the feminine nouns, then elles sont will be the plural forms. Now, when I said that this is the conjugation of the verb être, in this, you are has are as the verb. In English, it is to be. So you are. In the plural, we have we are, you are, and they are. So in English, there is only one verb that we are using, which is are. But in French, you have different forms. Say for tu, you have es. With nous, you have som. With vous, êtes, ils, elles, you have sont. So that is called as conjugation of the verb. It means that with a particular subject pronoun, you will write only the verb which will go with that pronoun. You can't write other word even if the meaning is same. So say for example, you can't write vous, som, or nous, et, or ils, et. That way it does not work in French. So you have to write the verb which goes with the pronoun. Okay, so now let's do the verb être in negative. So the formation is subject plus ne plus verb plus pas. Now this formation is standard formation for doing any verb, for conjugating any verb in negative in French. So the formation is ne before the verb and pas after the verb. So let's see how it will look like. Je ne suis pas. So suis is my verb which means am. So ne will come before suis and pas will come after suis. So je ne suis pas, I am not. Tu n'es pas, il n'est pas, elle n'est pas, on n'est pas. Now over here what is happening, NE will become N apostrophe. Now why is that so? Because I think I've told you this rule. Two vowels cannot come together. That's why NE, the E in NE will go away and we put the N apostrophe form. So thu nepa, il nepa, el nepa, on nepa. Nu nasompa, vu netpa, again N apostrophe because E is a vowel. Il ne sont pas, elle ne sont pas. The English translation is I am not, you are not, he is not or it is not, she is not or it is not, one is not or we are not, you are not, and they are not. It will be in the both forms, masculine and feminine plurals. Let's do the verb être in interrogative. This is very easy. Here only you have to invert what is there, the formation in affirmative. So subject plus verb becomes verb plus subject. So it will be suis-je or est-ce que je suis. So suis-je means am I. So in interrogative you invert subject verb as verb subject with a hyphen in between and question mark at the end because obviously it is interrogative. You have another way of doing interrogative, that is by adding est-ce que before affirmative. So it is est-ce que je suis. Es-tu, are you, est-il, is he, est-elle, is she, est-on, are we, sommes-nous, are we, êtes-vous, are you, sont-ils, are they, sont-elles, are they. Easy? Okay. Let's understand by some examples. Je suis ingénieur. I am an engineer. Elle est ma mère. She is my mother. Nous sommes des enfants. We are children. Let's do the same examples in negative. So you have je ne suis pas ingénieur. Elle n'est pas ma mère. Nous ne sommes pas des enfants. In interrogative, it will be est-ce que je suis ingénieur? Est-elle ma mère? Sommes-nous des enfants? Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was useful in any ways, hit the like button and once again don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post many videos related to the French culture and the French grammar. Au revoir. Bye.